Asking for those asking what I use to make this one, I want to show you the products I use. These are the products, and it will give you quality color. Quality color. These are the products. For this one, you can see those are my products which I use. But for this color, I used this color. This one, you see, that's the quality color I used to make that color you have seen there. These are the types of colors. You can see the pink one there. I also have this pink one. I will show you. And this, I also have this one, the black and the brown. And please, when using these colors, remember you should bleach fast. Bleaching products, these are the bleaching product. Olive, this is the bleaching powder, and we have this 30 volume peroxide. We also have this one. This one, I think this is 12% 40 volume, but the other one is 40%. And this is are the quality ones. So before applying any dye, any color apart from black, please use those bleaching products. Only for the black you apply it direct, but for the rest you must do bleaching for it to give you the quality color you want, and your customer will be satisfied. And for those people using this black Dexter shampoo, avoid this thing. This thing nowadays, it's fake. When you wash it, it's like that. Instead, use this one, Subaru, for good quality, and your customers will be satisfied. So, I'm going to apply. There is a dye. I'm going to apply the maroon one, and I will post it here for you. So, wait for it. Thank you and subscribe.